Well, we're working at Kevin's shop this morning. This 78, I think you said, right?
It's 78, yeah.
I think we're about a hair's breadth away from first start.
Yeah, we are. I mean,
we're ready.
yeah, put the tank on, some gas in it, even with the little drip we have, we can address that.
Yeah. We have a very small drip right at the top hat filter underneath with the cap on the tank. We just cleaned the heck out of it, and we're going to monitor it and see if we can see where the oil is leaking. It ends up right there by the clamp, but it's a brand new clamp and the hose seems tight. So we're watching that today to see if we can figure out where that little drip comes from. We did the rear brakes yesterday. Put the only master cylinder in. Let them. They feel good. They feel good. Front brakes are done. They feel good. Good. Up here. Got good snap. I did the compression test.
Yeah.
And we got electronic ignition in here with the static settings set. We're ready to drop a battery into it and drop the tank on and stroke upon it. All right, that's good. I'll let you know what happens. Okay, this bike has been in Kevin's shop about a month, and we've done a lot. He's done a lot of work. I mean, serious. He's done a bunch of work from the front edge of the front tire all the way back to the back edge of the back tire and everything in between. I've helped some, had some fun here. We've done some neat stuff. We really have. And we're ready for the first start. We have electrical system hooked up and tested. We have fuel in the fuel tank. These are the Mark III amyl carbs, so they don't have ticklers. They do have a choke, very much like the McQueen's, which are a copy of the Mark IIIs, by the way. And Kevin is about to stroke on this bike for the very first time since it came into his shop. Ah, I heard something. Good first start.
Absolutely.
Good oil flow. All right, so now we're going to back off for 2 minutes and talk about it, and then do another start and maybe try to double, and we will do the ignition timing with a strobe light, and then we will balance out the carburetors and see how it goes. So that was a very successful first start. All right, the ignition timing setting was absolutely dead nuts on when we strobe checked. I mean, we didn't have to adjust it at all. It was perfect. I set the pilot mixture on each of the carbs. I set the idle on each of the carbs. It's sitting here idling. That is beautiful. Comes off idle lovely, snaps right back. Gosh. You ready to put the seat on and just go over it one more time and we're good? All right, let's just go over stem to stern. We got one loose turn signal up here on this side. And let's double check that oil at the top hat down at the bottom. All right, we've dressed out the bike. Trying to get the seat on. The seat, we don't know what the story with the seat is, but it's your basic 5-minute job that we put the better part of an hour into just trying to get the seat on and the fender bracket to not hit the bottom of the seat. So it's just it's just been fun, lots of fun. We're working and pounding and pounding and working and working and pounding and I'll let you know how it goes. All right, I mean it looks like a motorcycle. We fixed the drip on the bottom of the oil tank. It's the in-frame oil tank. We just took the whole bottom top head assembly off and cleaned it and resealed it with new seal. And it looks really, really good. Now we're going to let it set overnight, put oil in it tomorrow morning.
Show them what brake fluid can do.
Isn't that cool? Yeah, this is what brake fluid will do to the paint on a lift, which is interesting. I didn't even realize it was painted until the brake fluid took that off. So anyway, yeah, it's going to sit overnight, and we're going to put fresh oil in it tomorrow, fire it up, and probably do a test drive. But this bike has been here for what 3 months?
No, 6 weeks.
Okay, 6 weeks.
It feels like 3 months.
Sometimes it feels like 3 years.
Yeah.
But it's looking like a motorcycle. I mean, it's really neat. And it started right up. It took maybe 3-4 kicks, and it started right up. So it wanted to run. So, way to go! I think we have a winner.